If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create an account quick report in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Chart of Accounts command in the drop-down menu that appears to open the Chart of Accounts window. Then find the desired account in the account list. Then click or select the Run Report command from the drop-down list of commands under its action column to create an account quick report that shows account transactions for the last 90 days. To show a different date range, select one from the Report Period dropdown in the upper left corner of the report page. To email, print, or export the report to Excel or as a PDF after running it, click the More Actions button in the upper right corner of the report, and then select the desired command. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.